Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys my top 15 must-have iOS 13 shortcuts for 2020. These shortcuts are very useful and of course will help you perform a lot of tasks faster on your iOS device and also add like extra features to your iOS 13 device. Now before I get started and get into the top 15 shortcuts of 2020, I just want to ask you guys, if you enjoyed this video and other iPhone videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Here are my top 15 must-have iOS 13 shortcuts. Starting off with the first one is called Photo Details. Now this shortcut will give you detailed information regarding any of the pictures that you have on your camera roll. So just run the shortcut and load any of your pictures, and once you have loaded that picture, you can see right here it will show you at the top the name of the picture, and then right here it will show you all the details regarding that picture. Now this one is really amazing. You can see this is a picture that I have taken with my camera, this one right here, and you can see it actually even shows me the camera that I have used and also the ISO speed and the aperture. Everything right there is right on. It has basically all the information regarding the picture, of course the date created, the size, and all that stuff. The next shortcut for the video is called Search On. Now this one allows us to search for anything basically on the most popular sites on the internet. So you just run the shortcut and type what you want to search. So let's say iReviews. You want to search for iReviews, you tap OK, and it will show you a list of things where you can search. From Google to Twitter to YouTube, Reddit, on Instagram, Amazon, anywhere you want, basically on the most famous sites on the internet you can search. So if I tap on YouTube right there, you can see it will go straight to YouTube and search for iReviews. The next shortcut for the video is called Apple Beta Profile. Now this one allows you to install Apple Beta Profiles. So all you gotta do is just run the shortcut, and from here it will show you a list. You have the dev beta, the public beta, also you can stop there over-the-air updates. So if you tap on public beta right there, it will take you to another list. You will have iOS 13, tvOS 13, or Mac OS, the public beta profiles from here. You want to install one of them, you just choose whichever one you want to install, and you can go ahead and then install them directly from the website here. Time between dates is the next shortcut for the video, and this one is very useful if you just want to calculate the days left until a day. All you gotta do is just run the shortcut. So the first date can be today, and then next one can be, let's say somewhere on February. Tap OK, and then you can choose if you want to see the total time, you want to see maybe even the seconds, the minutes, hours, days, weeks, or even months until that date. So let's just choose days here, and then it will show us the actual current, the number of days until that date. Basically what you choose will be shown right here. Tip amount is the next shortcut for this video, and it allows you to easily calculate your tip. So just run the shortcut and just enter the amount of the bill here, and then choose what percentage of tip you want to leave. Tap right there. As you can see, as easy as that, it shows you the amount of tip and then how much your total will be after the tip. Manage Clipboard allows you to manage your clipboard and everything you have copied on your clipboard. So you just run the shortcut, and from here you can view the clipboard, you can save whatever you have copied on the clipboard, you can edit that, restore the clipboard, clear the clipboard, and then you will have the tools as well. So if I tap on Edit Clipboard, it will show me the clipboard right here. I don't have anything right now on the clipboard, but if I just tap right there, it will then go ahead and copy that. You can see right here, if I tap View Clipboard, it will show me that. And if I tap again Edit Clipboard, you can see it will show me what I have already typed there, and I can go ahead and edit this. Very useful having the ability to edit and view whatever you have copied on your clipboard. Combine Screenshot allows you to combine a few screenshots into one, so a single picture with a few screenshots. So just run the shortcut and go ahead and basically select the screenshots that you want to use. You can also use other pictures as well. So once you select your screenshots, go ahead and just enter a name right here, click done, and you're good to go. Then you will see all the screenshots combined into one picture. Of course, you can zoom in and out here to take a look at it and tap the share button in order to go ahead and save this on the camera roll of your iPhone. The next shortcut for the video is called Photo Converter, and it allows you to convert your pictures into different formats, and that way also reduce the size of your pictures. So just run the shortcut and open one of your pictures. So once you have loaded the picture, it will show you a few different formats to which you can convert that picture. So you will have HEIF right there, you will have JPEG and also PNG. So you can see basically on different formats the photo will be on different size. Of course you can use the lower ones right there to basically save space on your iPhone by converting your pictures to a smaller size. The next shortcut for the video is called Network Tool. Now this one has a ton of tools that you can use for your network. Running this shortcut, you will see a list where you can show the information regarding your Wi-Fi. That it will show you your local IP, your external IP, and then right here you can do a speed test, a ping test, and also you will have like advanced information and physical IP location, which basically will show you your IP on the map. So if I tapped here to do a speed test, it will quickly take me to the website here from where I can do a speed test. That's really cool. Also, if I tap right here, it will test, like with the ping, it will test the speed of my internet connection, and that's really cool. Shorten URL is the next shortcut for this video, and this one will help you easier shorten any URL that you want. So all you gotta do is just go ahead, copy the URL that you want to shorten, and then just go ahead and run the shortcut, click OK right there, and you're good to go. You will have a shorter URL. Now basically that will actually be automatically saved on the clipboard of your device. So if I just go ahead and paste right here, you will see that I have now the shortened URL right there copied on the clipboard of my device. The next shortcut is called Email Myself. Not like a website or anything that you want to save and email it to yourself. That can be done very easily using this shortcut. So all you gotta do is just tap the share sheet and go ahead and find the shortcut here, Email Myself, click done right here, and you're good to go. That will be sent on an email to yourself. As easy as that. Anything that you want to have saved on your email can be done with this shortcut. Convert photos to GIF allows you to create GIFs out of your pictures. So all you gotta do is just run the shortcut and make sure you choose a few of your pictures. And once you have chosen your pictures, you can see it will turn them into a GIF file. That's really awesome. If you want to share like a bunch of pictures on your social media, you can use this shortcut to create these amazing GIFs. Now, if you just tap right there, you can go ahead and save this GIF on the camera roll of your iPhone. Make PDF allows you to turn anything you want into a PDF, like from a website, a note, or something like that. Everything can be saved into a PDF file. So if I just go here to Safari, I just tap the share button, and here I have Make PDF, tap on that, and you're good to go. You will be able to turn this into a PDF file, tap the share button, and I can go ahead and save this to my files, or I can even email it to myself using the previous shortcut that I just showed you. More fonts is the next shortcut for this video. This is like a more fun one. It allows you to basically convert any text you want into different fonts so that you can probably use it on your social media, or like a message, anything you want. So you have a text that you want to basically like paste here, or you can enter any text you want. So just tap right there, enter text, and let's just go ahead. Let me just paste this that I have here and tap OK, and then you will have a bunch of different fonts that you can choose from. Just choose any font you want, and then that text will be saved on the clipboard of your device with that font. So if you just tap copy right here, you're good to go. So here I can paste that right here, and you will see the new font in which it has been saved. And last but not least is log water, and this one allows you to easier log any amount of water that you drink. So you just tap to run the shortcut, and you will have here to choose the ounces of water that you did drink, and this will of course log into the health app. So just tap on any amount you want and you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. These are my top 15 must-have iOS 13 shortcuts for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.